Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable background download on Telegram. And here's how it is done. Steps to enable automatic media downloads. Open the Telegram app. Works on both Android and iPhone. Tap on Settings, bottom right. Scroll down and tap Data and Storage. Set up for cellular or mobile data. Turn on automatic media download. Set data usage to high, recommended for unlimited plans. Tap on videos and increase the download limit. Example, up to 375 to 400 MB. Enable auto download for photos, videos, files, stories. Set up for Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi auto download is turned on. Set data usage to high. Increase video download size limit up to 1.5 gigabytes if needed. Enable all media types for automatic download. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable background download on Telegram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.